Let us consider this piece of price action. This is on the M15. So there's been a break of structure, price is coming down. There was some older POI over here from where it has reacted, and I'm now expecting price to come up. Now, obviously, this is the extreme of this range. The entire range is from here to here, and if we refine it, then this becomes the refined POI that we're really looking at. Now the point is, the more you refine, the lesser is the chance of price actually coming to your refined POI. However, if it really comes here and you're just pulling the trigger without any fear, then you'll be really super confident if it kind of comes here. So let's try to play this price action. This is on the M15, and currently I have marked my POI like this. However, I'm also aware that this is the entire range and price doesn't necessarily have to really pull up to this. The key really lies in being absolutely agile, and getting kind of looking at how price action really develops. So if we just play this, and again this is at about 23:15, and if we go forward and we try to play it and see when we come to more like London opening kind of a price. So this is 645. Now I'm definitely getting interested because price has kind of come up here. I'm going to jump to the M5, and I see, okay, I am also seeing something interesting happening over here in terms of these look like equal highs to me, and this also looks like a clean sweep of these equal highs. So I can get interested. Like I said, price doesn't necessarily have to pull into this, but as soon as London Open happens, this is where we are, and I see that these are equal highs that have been taken. So this definitely looks like a sweep of liquidity, and in case now if I mark this as my where did this really happen from, I could either mark this or I'll mark this. It really depends, but this gives me more kind of confirmation that okay, this is my PBL, the point before liquidation. And now if I really play this forward, and let's see what happens. So price goes, it kind of comes into this and it goes up again, and now I have this whole failure of this PBL happening. So if you consider this as the PBL, then probably you could maybe look at an entry here, but for me personally this was more of a PBL. So now this has failed. I'm definitely interested, where did this happen from? Somewhere here. So I could actually look at this as my POI, from where I could actually look at going short, because now for me this was sweep of equal highs which got taken out. The point that led to that liquidation of these equal highs was this. So once this fails, there was a reaction over here, so I'll be interested in a zone from here. So I could go short over here, and probably just look at covering this too. So this is my this is how I'll probably place my order and target a 5 hour. Again, targeting 5 hour or whatever would be dependent on I'd definitely like to look on the left hand side and see if there's something. There's nothing, but maybe my technical target would then probably just be somewhere here, which is about 3 hour, which is also good. So if I just target this, and let's see if we can get tagged into this. So I play this forward, and we got tagged in here. Okay, and let's play this forward. Okay, so that was that's how the trade really panned out, and I think this will go down further. Yeah, so probably a 5 hour was also there, but yeah, essentially while this was the POI that was marked on the M15, as you can see here. But it also depends on the timing. So, actually, this entire range is there, but you obviously refined it over here. So, when I refine it this fine, then I'm more kind of aware of the fact that it may not necessarily reach here. So then timing is also very important to me. So this candle was London opening, I think this one, and that's when I would look at. Of course, I didn't take this trade, but that's when I would really look at what's really going on. And I see that these are equal highs which got taken, and okay, so if it got taken, where was the point before liquidation? Maybe this, but I would not play this. I would really look at this and then say that okay, this is this is the reaction that happened, and yeah, go from here and just take the trade.